Hi, my name is JETI SAWATDIPONG and I've been working as a country officer at the International Banking Group at Bangkok Bank. International Banking Group is a business unit that oversees over 12 network of the international branch across 12 countries worldwide. Country officers is essentially international banking credit analysts. On most days, I am tasked with 5 core tasks. The first one is to assess the credit application received from the international branch. The second one is to understand the borrower business and industry. The third one is to assess financial performance and projection. The fourth one is to ensure there's sufficient risk mitigation in place. And 5, finally, is to present the case to loan committee for approval. Back in 2018, I was assigned to work at Bangkok Bank New York branch for a year as a credit and marketing officer. There, I was able to learn the whole process of making credit application, starting with discussing with customer, all the way to obtaining loan approval from head office. During my valuable time there, I was able to close several deals, which gave me a great sense of accomplishment. The work exposure and the skill developed at the time has given me the foundation for my increasingly challenging work responsibility nowadays. The main challenges is putting practice into action, as I did not have any prior experience working at an international branch. I had to use all my knowledge as a country officer to successfully close new deals at New York branch. Fortunately, country officer's role has trained me to be dynamic, given that I have to oftentimes work on multiple credit applications simultaneously. And these credit applications often have different business background and financial positions. This allows me to successfully tackle any challenges faced. The working atmosphere at International Banking Group is constructive, focusing on knowledge sharing and trust among colleagues, as we are all working towards the same goal. While people are willing to teach and team coordination is seen, each employee is expected to uphold a certain level of responsibility and professionalism. I do try to strike a balance between work-life balance, but oftentimes I also have to bring back cases to read and prepare at home. Outside of that, during my leisure time, I would often play table tennis, badminton, and even go karaoke with my friends. The opportunity at International Banking Group is international exposure. Not only do you get to deal with local employees at the respective branch, but you may also get to deal with customers. You may even be sent overseas on a special assignment. Apart from this, Bangkok Bank also provides training for its employees. For example, recently I have trained on Microsoft Power BI, which is perfect for me to transit into the digital age. If you want to be a part of the main driving force of international growth, then join me and my fellow country officer at the International Banking Group at Bangkok Bank.